First ranked match of the night. Oh, there's fudge. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. Hey, there's no levels on here. If you want to duel me, be in the video. Or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the race. Round 1. Dude! What? Well, first of all, the name didn't pop up right away. The level on the card is not appearing. Yeah. I think it's this one. Cursed Old Land? Solemn Judgment. That's okay. Whoa, Solemn Judge. Whoa. Oh, come on, I pressed it. There we go. 10 key. What? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to protect myself. Like that. Yes. Yeah. I thought I had the ZOOLICH in there. I don't, so. No. I'm just going to skill drain right now. Pay 1,000. My voice chat was on. Yo. Why can't I Moonlit Chill? Was that a tribute summon? Vertical Fusion. Uh-oh. Let's duel wings. Oh, they changed it. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, it shines. Nice. Nice. So he's gonna go first. What the heck? How come the right click doesn't work? Usually it's right click, right click. Oh, swap? Oh, you gotta swap it. Usually, before it was just right click and right click. You gotta swap it. Yep. I'll take the 16. Destiny. What? Where did Destiny Hero Malicious come from? Oh, we discarded. Yeah, discard. Yeah, from Ferris. Ah, shit. Well, I'm just gonna whiptail. Normal summon whiptail, then Xyz for Borbo. Battle. Borbo direct attack. Main phase 2. I'm going to stack as much as I can, overlay as much as I can. Okay. And then going for a 6 material XZ Shogun Sky Thunder Kokiatsu. Can't take that back. No, I can't. Shit. It's all good. Tremendo. Son of a So Zeus is now negated with droplet. It should have an X on there, but it does not have an X. And it cut its attack in half. Fucking great. Shadow, summon effect veiler. That's a permanent attack decrease. End phase, Scarlet or Eldritch. Oh wait, that's not a permanent. Full end of his turn. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, thank God. I could just Zeus it up. Banish to set. Send to add to special a zombie. That's, yeah, he's done. He's done. Switch. Battle. Let's do it. Flawless victory. Perfect. I went up by 20 there. Thank God. Zodiac. Eldritch. Let's see. Yeah, I was at 110. 130. Let's go. And I didn't get nothing. That's okay. We're going up. Comment, share. Like if you sub it for like 50. See you guys.